If you've been struggling to find a mobility scooter that supports your weight, gives you enough space, and still feels smooth to ride, this guide is for you. We'll go through the top models made by the most trusted manufacturers in the industry like Pride Mobility, Golden Technologies, and Afikim Electric Vehicles. Each of these brands includes industry-leading warranties, great parts support, and even an in-home service plan at no additional cost. And if you want to learn more about any of these scooters we covered today, we have full review videos linked down below in the description. You can also request a copy of our free product catalog. It has all of our latest products, discount codes, and a ton of information about our business. If you want a copy, just go to our website, mobilitydirect.com, click on the green button at the top of every page that says free catalog. Fill out the simple short form and you'll get one in the mail within 1 to 2 weeks tops. You could also just call the number below, speak with one of our non-commissioned sales experts, give them your mailing address, and they'll process the request for you by phone. Keep in mind, we're not just an online business. We have several brick and mortar locations. We'd love to have you stop by and test drive any of the products in this video. So let's go ahead and dive right into things. So first, let's start off with the Pride Mobility Victory 10 Platinum. This is made in America, which is one of my favorite things about it. It can support up to 400 pounds, and it reaches top speeds of 6 miles per hour. The standard seat is 18-inch wide, but you have several seat options, including a 22-inch wide Deluxe Contour high-backed captain seat. It has an ultra-smooth ride thanks to its front and rear suspension coils, and it has a full lighting package for nighttime visibility. But what makes it especially great for larger riders on the go is that it disassembles without any tools. You can break it down in seconds and fit it into most vehicles. By the way, folks, make sure you stay tuned to the end of this video because I'm going to give you an expert tip as a technician for over 15 years that you're not going to want to miss. I'm also going to throw on the screen a hidden message somewhere towards the end of the video. If you spot that message, it's going to teach you how you can get access to a secret discount code only available to the viewers of this video. Now, next up is the Pride Mobility Maxima. This mobility scooter can handle up to 500 pounds, and it comes with a wider 22-inch seat for added comfort. The top speed is just over 5 miles per hour, and it delivers nearly 20 miles of range on a full charge. The Maxima has been a top seller for years because it's built like a tank. It still gives you the smooth ride you need to enjoy your independence. Now, let's talk about the Afikim Afiscooter S4. This is the Cadillac of mobility scooters. It's available in both standard and heavy-duty versions. The heavy-duty version supports up to 600 pounds, and you can get up to a 33-inch wide ortho seat, which is super comfortable. There's several other seat options as well, including a 20-inch and a 22-inch wide seat, and the top speed is a whopping 9.3 miles per hour. The range is one of the best in the industry, going up to 38 miles on a full charge. With massive ground clearance and fully independent suspension on the front and rear, this scooter handles tough terrain like a champ. It's ideal for users who want the most luxurious, stable ride available, especially for longer outdoor use on rough terrain. Then there's the Pride Mobility Baja Bandit. This mobility scooter has a 400-pound weight capacity, an 18.5-inch wide seat, and a top speed of 8 miles per hour. It also has upgraded suspension on the front, the rear, and on the seat post, which gives it one of the smoothest rides out there on a full-size scooter. But what sets this model apart is that it disassembles without tools, making it one of the only rugged off-road scooters that's also travel-friendly. You get the best of both worlds, portability and power, in one package. The Golden Technologies Buzzaround LX is next. This is the most portable option on the list with a 375-pound weight capacity. It has a 20-inch wide captain seat, and it tops out at 5 miles per hour. It delivers a smooth ride with front and rear suspension, and what's awesome is that it breaks down quickly and easily. Again, no tools required. For anyone who wants something that's more compact without sacrificing comfort, the Buzzaround LX is a solid choice. Now let's look at the Golden Technologies Eagle HD. This scooter supports up to 500 pounds and features a 22-inch wide captain seat. With a top speed of 8 miles per hour and a range of over 20 miles, it's built for long days and rougher terrain. It also has a Bluetooth speaker system for you to enjoy your favorite tunes while getting some fresh air. The oversized tires, bright lighting, and durable frame make it a great outdoor scooter with an aggressive look and feel. The Pride Mobility Pursuit 2 is also a great hybrid option. It supports 400 pounds and has a 20-inch wide captain seat and goes over 9 miles per hour. The adjustable shocks and oversized tires give you a smooth ride even on uneven ground, and the max range is around 40 miles per charge. It's fast, it's powerful, and it's incredibly comfortable to ride. Not to mention, it looks awesome. And finally, the Pride Mobility Baja Raptor 2. This is for the speed demons out there, but it's more like a motorcycle than a scooter. It supports up to 400 pounds and reaches a top speed of 14 miles per hour. It has a 20-inch wide captain seat, a range of up to 31 miles, and is designed for smooth outdoor surfaces like sidewalks, boardwalks, or roads. If you want something fast, sleek, and fun, the Raptor 2 is in a class of its own. Still not sure which scooter is the right fit for you? Give our non-commissioned sales experts a call. We'll walk you through the options and make sure you get the one that best suits your lifestyle, your needs, and most importantly, your budget. All of our mobility scooters ship for free and are tax-free. Not to mention, part of every sale goes towards our community donation program. We oftentimes will surprise individuals who are in need with a free mobility scooter. These individuals are oftentimes homeless or struggling to get around with a broke-down manual wheelchair, a walker, or a cane, and we show up and we bless them with a brand new mobility scooter. If you want to be part of that movement, consider shopping at Mobility Direct or telling someone you know about Mobility Direct. If you have a Facebook page, share this video. Help spread the word. Together, we can make a difference, one mobility scooter at a time. All right, folks, so if you caught that hidden message on the screen, hopefully you did. You'll be able to save big on your next purchase. We'd love to earn your business, folks. And here's that expert tip that you can keep in mind when you're shopping for a mobility scooter. Not many people know this, but three-wheel mobility scooters actually have a lot more floor space for your feet. So if you're someone like me that has big feet and you need more room on the floorboard, I would highly recommend a three-wheel scooter versus a four-wheel scooter. Not only that, but three-wheel scooters tend to have more space for your knees and your legs. So if you've got larger legs or longer legs and you don't want to feel cramped up, consider a three-wheel scooter. The only downfall is that three-wheel scooters aren't as stable on uneven terrains compared to a four-wheel model. Three-wheel scooters have a much sharper turning radius though, so there are many pros that come with owning a three-wheel model compared to a four-wheel model. Something else to consider is that most mobility scooters in this video have a height adjustable seat. So if you have longer legs or you're taller, it's important to check to make sure that the scooter you're interested in has a height adjustable seat. When you set the seat up higher, it makes you feel less cramped while riding the scooter. And that's important, especially if you're spending a lot of time in your mobility scooter. I hope those 2 tips are helpful for you in your shopping journey. And remember to claim a copy of our free product catalog so that you can browse through our latest products at your own time, at your own schedule. It's free, and if you request it online today, it should show up in your mailbox within 1 to 2 weeks tops. Well, folks, that's going to wrap up this video. I hope you enjoyed. We'll see you in the next one.